Hello, guys. Hello, everybody. Hello, Sports Center experts. How are you all doing today?
Doing great.
Okay, wonderful.
Awesome.
Hi guys.
Okay, great. All right. So we are on match 29 today. It's SRH versus CSK, another South Indian derby, and very important match for both the teams. बहुत ही important match है क्योंकि SRH का थोड़ा stuttering start and stop type का start रहा है IPL में. 7 matches, आज 7th match होगा दोनों टीम का. CSK has been they've had a disastrous campaign अभी तक, so they will want to put their campaign back on track. और वो लोग भी देख रहे होंगे कि कल का मैच जैसे हुआ, top 3 teams बहुत strengthen कर रही है अपना position. So for the playoffs there aren't many slots left. So both the teams will want to win and win big. So it's Dhoni versus Warner. Let's see how it goes. So it's same format, people जिन्होंने पहले देखा है, जो आज पहली बार देख रहे हैं, फॉर्मेट ये है. ये हमारे जो एक्सपर्ट्स हैं, इनसे मैं 6 सवाल करूंगा इस मैच को लेके, and they have to make those predictions for this match. 6 big predictions, that's what we like to think. So Dipankar, without wasting any more time, I will start with you. Okay, तो पहला सवाल आपसे है Dipankar. How many runs will be scored in the first power play of the first innings? आपके पास 3 ऑप्शंस हैं, 35 to 45, 45 to 55 and 55 plus. दीपांकर, आपका क्या रिस्पॉन्स है?
$45 to 55.
Okay.
I mean, it's Dubai and the pitches are already getting used, so that would be a safe option.
Okay, I hear you. Kriti, what are you going for?
I would say it's actually interesting. 35 to 45.
35 to 45. Okay, very interesting. That is like, you really are thinking that these guys will start slow, and has happened in this IPL. So very much so.
Exactly. So based on the recent experiences with their teams and their matches, and also the fact that SRH has put more, I mean, all their eggs, so to speak, in one basket by piling them all in the top 4 or 5 positions. So yeah, I think अगर लुटिया डूबी तो काफी अच्छे से डूबेगी.
And we've seen with CSK also. So yeah, good pick. Mustafa, what do you think? क्या लगता है आपको?
I think since it's such a crucial match for both the teams, no matter who bats first, they're going to be a little conservative to start and will want to keep wickets, because yesterday also what we saw is that if you have wickets at the end of the match, in the last 5 overs, you can really go explosive. Just 15 overs, everybody's going to be conservative about wickets. So I think 35 to 45 would be. And which is, I think all the matches are getting sobered down. The matches scores are becoming lesser and lesser since the pitches are getting worn out also. So I think 35 to 45 should be a good start.
Okay. And Mrs. Mukherjee, आपको क्या लगता है?
55 plus. Why less?
Wow, 55 plus. So that is like we have all the range. पूरा range हमने select कर लिया. 35 to 45. You've got 45 to 55 and 55 plus. Perfect. This is a great start. I mean, as Anuradha keeps telling me, this is not a question that was wasted. This is a question which was well invested in. Great. तो Mrs. Mukherjee, मैं second question आपसे ही शुरू करूँगा. कौन सी opening pair will have a bigger opening partnership today, openers में? तो क्या वॉटसन और डुप्लेसी CSK के लिए उनकी पार्टनरशिप ज्यादा बड़ी रहेगी, या इट विल बी वार्नर एंड बेस्टो फॉर हैदराबाद? क्या लगता है आपको? Sorry, Warner. Okay, Warner Besto. Okay, fantastic. All right, मुस्तफा, आपको क्या लगता है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
Very difficult pick. I think, like I said, both are going to go conservative, and both teams have the opening pairs which are extremely experienced and they know how to take the match as deep as possible. And I think that is what they will look to do. So it's a tough pick, but I would go with Warner Besto. This is just like a 50-50 chances giving I'm just taking a pick. That's it.
Okay, so you're not picking the oldies of CSK. All right, Kriti.
Yeah. Okay, like Mustafa said, this is a tough one, and I don't know if I should go with the popular opinion or
The
have
contrarian
a different
opinion.
opinion.
Contrarian opinion.
Yes.
Yeah.
I would say Warner West.
Oh God, you went for the safe one. All right. Let's ask the expert Dipankar, who's been topping our leaderboard every match. So Dipankar, क्या लगता है आपको?
I would also go with Warner Bairstow, based on the fact that Watson might be a little susceptible against Rashid, and he has looked susceptible against good spinners.
Okay.
So just for that reason, and the track might be a little bit slow on the slower side.
Okay.
I don't know. I mean, what track will be used, but assuming that it's a used track. So that's the reason. And Warner Bairstow, anyways, all proven customers.
And both of them are in good form. We have Abhishek joining us. Welcome, Abhishek.
Hi.
We are on second question and almost on cue. We were about to end this round, but why don't we end this round with you and ask you the second question? So, कौन सी opening जोड़ी जिनका partnership ज़्यादा बड़ा रहेगा? Which opening pair will have a bigger opening partnership today? Watson du Plessis for CSK, Warner Bairstow for SRH. क्या लगता है आपको, अभिषेक?
I think CSK की opening partnership थोड़ी vulnerable रही है. They started well, in between they fluctuated. Last match में काफी high hopes था. I think I have a feeling if it's not Chennai today, then they're out of the tournament. And on the big day, the big players need to step up. So I feel your opening partnership of Watson and Faf du Plessis is something that gonna change fortune for them.
Okay.
I'm back.
You know, folks, what we were missing in this panel today? We were missing a CSK supporter, and there we have. We have a CSK supporter amongst us. We needed one so badly, and CSK needs one so badly. We all know that. Okay, we hear you. At least we have one contrarian opinion, and the question is not wasted, right, Kriti? Okay, ठीक है. So we will start with you, Abhishek. The third question. ये एक नया सवाल है. हमने इस तरह के सवाल पहले नहीं पूछे हैं. So the question is, how many 25 plus individual scores will be scored in today's match? 25 and 25 से ज़्यादा individual scores, both sides. कितने वैसे scores होंगे इस match में? Your options are up to 5, 6 to 8, or more than 8. What do you think, Abhishek?
Six to 8 is a little bigger number, I feel. I mean,
Okay.
I feel between both the sides, had it been a 5 to 6, I'd have gone for that. I'll go with 5.
Up to 5. Up to 5, you're saying?
Up to 5, yes, up to 5.
Okay. All right. Dipankar, क्या लगता है आपको?
Okay. 25 plus. 6 to 8.
6 to 8, a safer option. Okay. Kriti, what do you think?
Okay. So considering कि ये मैच दुबई में हो रहा है और वहाँ पे बहुत गर्मी है और पिछले सारे मैचेस में सब प्लेयर्स की बहुत हालत खराब हुई है. I am really sorry for that guest appearance.
No, that's okay. We can have some cats. Yeah.
And dogs. So yes, I think it's going to be up to 5. I really doubt कि वो 5 के ऊपर हो सकता है चला भी जाए, but considering the fact, and if they have to pull it up to 6 to 8, they really have to stretch themselves and really have to push themselves to get there.
Okay. Mustafa, can you hear us? I can't see you. Well, so Mustafa is not visible, is not responding. So we will come back to Mustafa. Why don't we start with the fourth
Sorry
question?
guys for having terrible
no worries. Can you answer?
Terrible connection. I can hear you guys now. So I just want to appreciate your third question for coming up with such innovative questions to ask us. It's really great.
So you have a response to me for me?
I think it's going to be up to 5.
Up to 5. Okay. So basically, what a lot of people are saying is, it's a top heavy batting lineup. So there will be people who will get big scores. A Faf du Plessis or a Watson or a Best or a Warner, they'll get like 60, 70 plus, which means that the lower order, which has anyway struggled for CSK much more, even SRH has struggled a little bit. They will be unable to put together more than 25. They'll possibly score 15, 20. Okay, I think fair enough. We will move on to question 4, and on to all rounders now, people. So इस मैच में काफी सारे all-rounders है दोनों साइड से. Of course, CSK has more all-rounders as compared to SRH. SRH plays more on the principle of pure bowlers, pure batters. So Kriti, I'll start with you, if you don't mind. Which all-rounder will have the biggest impact on today's match? Will it be Sam Curran, Dwayne Bravo, or Abhishek Sharma, who plays for SRH? What do you think?
Sam Curran.
Well, safe choice. It's a safe choice. I mean, Sam Curran has been safe as a bank kind of an option. Yeah, he's bowled well, he's batted well. Dipankar.
See, if all these all-rounders would have really got a hit in the middle, if they were promoted, then I would have rather gone for Bravo.
Okay.
But Bravo these days looks like bowling more and
batting less. Yeah.
So that's what I believe. But then the likely one looks Sam Curran, getting a hit with both bat and ball.
Yeah.
So if Bravo gets to bat, then Bravo. Otherwise, it's Curran.
Yeah. The good thing about Sam Curran and Jadeja is that both of them are lefties, and CSK can deploy that plan as compared to you've got the openers who are both righties. You've got Raidu who's a righty. You've got Dhoni who's a righty. If Jadhav plays, he's a righty. Bravo is a righty. So I think they want to mix it and match with Jadeja and Sam Curran. And we've seen that Dhoni trusts Sam Curran with the bat. He's definitely going to ball 4 overs. That is for sure. Right? He's a frontline seamer. Yes. So yeah, it makes a lot of sense. But why don't I ask you, Abhishek, what do you think?
I think what Dipankar says is right. Had it been a bowling all-rounder question, yes, definitely Bravo, because how Dhoni has used him is mostly in the last 6 overs he has bowled the maximum, and I think after he has come, the CSK has started restricting other teams to a lower total, barring the Bangalore match. Virat Kohli and ABD is a special player.
Okay.
So yeah. I think Sam Curran is a choice to go with.
Okay. Mustafa.
I completely agree with all of them.
All right.
I think it's Sam Curran. He's, I think, been one of the decent performing members of this CSK team.
Okay.
I know he's not got a lot of options while batting. He's not batted up the order, but I think the match against Mumbai, he came in and he just took the match away from Mumbai in that game also. So he has that ability of really coming in and upsetting the opponent team, even if it's just 25 runs, but
yes,
he can
from the
really
first ball.
upset it by scoring it extremely quickly.
Yeah, I mean, he can.
Yeah,
he has shown that
exactly.
ability to
and plus
start hitting from the
well.
first ball, which is not what you can say for the other batters of CSK, and that is why they've struggled generally. So yes. I just hope that the supporters of SRH watching this, they will want Abhishek Sharma to prove all you guys wrong, because you've just made my question completely irrelevant. Okay.
You should remember the post-match presentation of Dhoni last match, and he was very clear. Either we go all out on 17th over or win the match. So I think they'll be on a different note today when they come to the field. So intentions are clear. So I'm the chances that people like Sam Curran, Bravos will play an important.
No, I'm glad if Dhoni is saying that, because Dhoni is the one जो last over में लेके जाता है यार. 20वें over पे कौन लेके जाता है? Dhoni तो लेके जाता है. If he's the one is saying कि भाई 17th over में खत्म करो, that's good.
Very contrary to his own playing
exactly.
style.
His own playing style. I mean, Gautam Gambhir would be just saying कि bloody hell, यही तो मैं बोल रहा था 2012 में कि यार आप लास्ट ओवर में क्यों लेके जाते हो? And no, good. I think that's the approach that Dhoni is taking. You want CSK जो कि बहुत ही कमाल की franchise रही है, who's been one of the most successful franchise, of course, alongside Mumbai Indians. You want them to do well. You don't want them to struggle this much. Even if they're going to miss the playoff, you don't want them to struggle and finish at the last just like that. So anyway, we've got Mrs. Mukherjee joining. Mrs. Mukherjee, can you hear us? I can't see you. Okay, no worries. Mustafa, I will start the 5th question with you.
Yes.
This is about economy rates. So what will be the best economy rate in today's match? Less than 6.5 and 6.5 to 7 or 7 to 8. Now, before you answer, we all know who all are playing for this in this game. You know, you've got you've got a Rashid Khan who generally does not go for runs. I mean, unless it's a Tewatia batting, all right. Tewatia ho to baat alag hai, lekin he is generally not gone for runs.
He can do anything. He's Superman right now.
He's generally not gone for runs. We've got Sam Curran who's bowled very, very economically throughout the tournament. तो क्या लगता है आपको मुस्तफा? Who would you want to go? What would you want to go?
It's a difficult question. I would go with the safe answer of 6.5 to 7.
Okay.
I think safe bet.
ठीक है. All right. Kriti, आपको क्या लगता है?
Yeah, I would also take the safer side and say 6.5 to 7.
Okay. No. So you're just saying
I had no idea. I always thought that I was one for taking risks. I don't know what is wrong with me.
On PlayCKC you can, because you're not putting any money. On PlayCKC
I
play
know,
for free,
true,
right?
that's
right,
true.
right.
Correct. ये वाली बात बिल्कुल सच है.
और दूसरी बात
हाँ
ये है.
सही बात है. हाँ सही बात है. I'm not losing any money, but I'm
You're not
losing points, no.
No. You're just losing the opportunity to score points in this match. And just remember,
see?
unlike a Dream 11, जहाँ पे आपका जीतना सिर्फ उसी मैच तक restricted है, here your winnings can be carried forward to the next match and the next match and the next match, right? So, well, anyway, yeah, the only thing is you won't be able to beat Dipankar, who is the one who
come on.
topping.
I'm not even trying to. In fact, what I'm trying to do right now is just go with his tips and just follow his lead.
Yeah, I think people, if you want to follow tips from this video, Dipankar is the guy. Dipankar, what do you think about the economy rate question?
Okay, I'll answer the question first.
Yes.
6.5 to 7,
Okay.
very safe, because any bowler on their day can achieve that. Not necessarily Rashid Khan has to. It could be Karan, it could be Deepak Chahar, you never know.
It could be Deepak Chahar, it could be Natarajan.
Even Bravo was pretty like economic,
Natarajan,
but only he goes in the last part.
Yeah, that's right. And Natarajan, though, has been I'm really impressed by the Yorkers. He has the highest number of Yorkers this season, right? He's one for the future. But from the economy rate perspective, I think there are other bowlers,
Sure.
who can do much better. Coming back to the CKC and coming back to Kriti's point here, to follow the tips, what we are discussing here and what the play CKC is about are
No, not very different. I mean, some questions are similar, some questions are obviously different, but
there are a lot of
These are sports tips.
Yeah, these are tips, right? We get to know
these
how
are
you
mostly
think.
guesses.
These are tips.
Guesses.
I hope this is all your gut feeling. You don't realize it. It's your gut telling you, and your gut tells you because you've got that analysis spot on.
But let me
sorry.
But let me tell you, play CKC is one step ahead, right? I mean, you have all type of questions there. It's based on the gut feeling, as well as there are logical questions.
And the reading of the match situation. The reading of the match.
Yes, depending on the match situation, depending on the performance, on the fly, right?
Yeah.
Might option before the game, but during the game that might change.
Absolutely.
Pretty interesting, and I think we can add some of these, or even choosing some of the players, right, in our 11. Those kind of modifications will make it really complete.
Sure. We are working on that. Absolutely.
For everything.
Absolutely, we are working on that. Abhishek.
And once you guys start playing, then I am not getting a free pass now. I'm just trying to utilize whatever I can. It's very simple.
So in case of Abhishek, it's his son who needs to allow him to play. So Abhishek, you'll have to get your son on this show, and we'll just tell him that,
Yes.
hey, allow your daddy to play with us. All right. What's your pick then? What's your pick for this question, Abhishek?
I think yes, 6.5 to 7. Considering I think there are a few good bowlers today. Look, Rashid Khan, Bravo, they have a tendency to have a low economy rate. So yeah, 6.5 to 7.
Okay. Another question wasted. All right, I'm feeling terrible now. Okay, who's your pick for today? Abhishek, will start with you. Who's your pick for today? SRH or CSK? I know.
No, undoubtedly.
Yeah, I know.
Undoubtedly.
Yeah, let me answer it for you.
I can answer for him with CSK.
Right.
Okay, but why don't we hear it from you, Abhishek? Who's your pick?
Sorry?
Yeah, let's hear
CSK, yes, of course.
Okay.
I think both from a tournament perspective, from a franchisee perspective, yes. But while the performance and the way they have performed on papers, SRH looks a decent side. I mean, the stakes will be higher. The odds will be in favor of them. But I think purely from a tournament perspective and looking at the scenario with CSK is there today. If they lose, it's end of the tournament for them.
Yeah.
And so yes, CSK for me.
Okay. Dipankar?
I would go with SRH.
Okay.
I want SRH to win as well.
Yeah.
I don't know, for some reason. If I just and CSK is looking a little bit vulnerable as well.
Yeah, but they've sprung surprises too.
Their surprise is always the opening combination, right? If that clicks, then that's it, right?
Yeah, then
If
there's
Watson
no other team. Or Raidu.
Then
Right, they've defeated Mumbai Indians. That was a surprise. I mean, they opened their campaign with that, and that was Raidu coming off very well. Then Kings 11.
it's more like Pakistan, right? On some day, on their day they can beat anyone in the world.
Yeah.
So on Watson's day, and specifically Watson, right?
Yeah.
Nobody else.
He's the power hitter.
On
right?
Watson's day,
He's the
or
power
De Villiers' day,
Yeah.
he's a kind of impact player.
Yeah.
And the impact, he just overshadows everything, right?
Okay. Yeah, I agree with that. All right, Kriti, who's your pick for today?
My God, I actually had a contrarian view to that, but now oh my God, he's thrown me off again. But still, like Abhishek said, I am really hoping that CSK wins, because otherwise it will be the end of the tournament for them. Yeah, but at the same time, I also can see the odds.
Why SRH is the Why
yes.
SRH are the favorites? I get that. I understand.
Yes.
Yeah. So you basically hoping for a power pack performance from one of these impact players that Dipankar was referring to. Totally. Okay. Got you. Thank you so much, Kriti and Mustafa. Over to you.
See, I feel like honestly, if CSK wins this match also, it is not that they're back in the tournament, right? Like, it's not that. But if SRH loses the match, they're also out of the tournament, just like CSK and Kings 11. So I feel like the stakes are higher for SRH, because if they win this match, they have the chance of attaining that fourth position, which is to get into the playoffs. Because as we discussed, that the top three teams which are right there right now, they look so strong that they are definitely going to make it to the playoffs. So the one spot that is left, CSK and Kings 11, it's very difficult to get them into that fourth spot. They literally have to win each and every match from here on to get into that fourth spot. So it's a difficult thing to do. And obviously, then there are no Mumbai Indians who can lose six matches and then
seven on the trot. Yeah.
7 on the trot to qualify for the playoffs. That is a miracle if they can pull it off. But I think it's going to be edge. And I feel they have a strong chance of qualifying for the playoffs also.
Okay. So anyway, a toss-up now. The fourth position is a toss-up. If the top three are decided, as you say, it's not decided, but yeah, I mean, it's very, very strong chance that Bangalore, Delhi, and Mumbai will make it. Yeah. So it's a toss-up between Rajasthan, KKR, and SRH for the fourth spot. So we will see. All right. Thank you so much, experts. It was lovely talking with you, all of you, as usual. And we hope you get a lot of your predictions right. Of course, Dipankar knows he'll get a lot of them right. He's been topping our leaderboard, as I've been saying. But it's fun to play with you guys like this. It's fun to play on Play CKC. And we keep harping, It's better than fantasy if you can read it here, people. So yeah.
Sorry about that.
No, that's okay. It's better than fantasy. So people try out Play CKC. It's live predictions. It's great fun. All right. Thank you, people. Thank you, experts. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Yes.
Bye.